So this is a really quick tutorial on using a really helpful app on your phone called Office Lens. It's available on Apple and Android for free, and I'm just going to quickly show you how it works on my Android phone, but it's exactly the same on an Apple device. The app is called Office Lens, and if I open it up, what it does is it opens up the camera. But as you see, as I wave it around, it's drawing a rectangle around things, and what it's doing is it's hunting for a document. So if I point it at this work that I've just been doing, it draws this really handy rectangle over my work. And if I just tap to take a photo, it doesn't look like it's done anything particularly special, but it's got a photograph of my work and it's outlined it. And if I just click confirm now, you can see magically and instantly it's straightened everything out and lined it all up nicely. And that is fantastically useful because it means that you can take a photo of anything you like at pretty much any angle you like, and it will straighten it out and make it a nice document and really readable. In fact, it's really, really good at this. So if I do it at this really quite extreme angle here and do that, like part of it's off the edge of my screen, it's at a really strange angle, but if I hit continue, it still does a fairly good job of sorting it out. It's a little blurry at the top because of the angle, but it basically sorts it out. On top of that, you might have noticed, because I've just taken 2 photos in a row, I've actually got 2 different options down here. The first one I took and the second one I took, and so because of this, I can do 2 at once. I can keep going, and I've got 2 different photos done, and I can take as many photos as I want. So if I just hit back, and then I've actually done a second page of work here, so I'm just going to snap my second one fairly roughly, fairly quickly, press confirm, and then I don't want that middle one because it didn't work as well, so page 1, page 2, done. And there we go, that's all my work. And if I click done, I can either save this to my gallery as image files, or I can save it as a PDF. I can also upload it straight to a OneNote document or to my OneDrive, or I can stick it in a Word or a PowerPoint document. I've got loads of different ways of saving it. I'm just going to save these as images in my gallery for the moment, but all of those other options are really useful. And you can see now that in my gallery I now have my work, page 1 and page 2 with my lovely shadow of my hand. It's really, really quick, really easy to use, and it just straightens out all that work for you. If you're doing handwritten work, it's a really convenient way to capture what you've done on your mobile phone.